What is up, YouTube? Days Midlife Card Crisis here. Finally got to hang some stuff up in the card room, up on the wall. So, got a couple new displays. So I thought it'd be good to shoot a little quick video of or a card room tour, and let's just show off how I set this all up. So first, got the Jets couch, sweet blanket, covered up that ugly brown cover thing, but that's there. Hung up the Yankee Stadium photo. Also have this kind of little table here for card sorting, stuff like that. So over here, we got hung up these things back up on the wall. Got the strawberry, the Mick, and the Jeter with the game used dirt. And then I got the shelf right here. Got a couple signed baseballs, some the Mayan Yankees and Mets masks, and a couple sweet autograph photos. Down below, got the Doc, Jet skull, another signed baseball, and a little Jeter jersey piece. And there's a couple more binders there with some books. And then I got a couple empty binders and one full binder here in the corner. And then something you guys have not seen before is the wall display. Thought I'd show off some of my favorite 80s rookies, as always. This is what I got back into collecting for. And figured I'd put up some of my good ones, or at least my favorite ones. And I got a couple 90s here on the bottom. Then you guys have seen these before, but this is just the shelves. Got the Mets. Got the 86 Met team down here on the bottom. Got more binders. Then we move on over here. Got more binders, and got a little Knicks here on the bottom, as well as the bottom over here. So I'll get a little closer view. Got the Patrick Ewing in the middle. Then we move on to a nice Yankee shelf. And then up to another Yankee shelf with the Mick in the middle. Then finally got to hang up the Thurman photo or drawing. So that's pretty sweet. Then we got the other Yankees right here with the DiMaggio there in the middle. Coming down below, a couple more Yankees in there. And then another set of Knicks right there. Then onto the Jets shelf. Obviously some more binders here in the bottom, all full. Got a little Jets there. Little Jets action there with a Jets Mayan mask. Got the Jets ring. Big shout out to Big Smooth for hooking me that up at the National. More Jets there. Then I got the quarterback shelf. You know, does include the Sanchez and the Geno. Then another new display here. 80s again. Football. Then some 80s basketball right there in the middle with one of my favorite cards in the collection, the BGS 9 Patrick Ewing rookie. Super sick. And over here got some Jets. Then I got sort of a big mess right here. Some cards I got to put away and some supplies. Got to figure out what I'm going to do with that stuff. Over here is the desk. Got the YouTube Hall of Fame patch right there in the middle. Some cards I'm going to sell, and then some more supplies and other stuff. Over here is just it's a dresser with a printer. I'm going to actually get rid of this dresser and put a big shelf here for more binders. I also got some autographs that Caleb's cards hooked me up with several times. I want to frame and stick on a shelf. I got Rock and Randall, Pigskin Pete, and Mr. Potato Head Jet. In the closet, a little messy, but this is where I have all my boxes. Got some mini boxes there with just rookie cards in there that aren't very good, plus some other raw cards, or not box cards. Then some more boxes, and then another big shelf right here with some more boxes. A couple more things on the top here that I just need to put away. And last is my one stock of WWE. So that's it. That's the card room. Like I said, excited to finally hang up these displays, and that's what it looks like. So y'all have a good night.